Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's quick tech tip is going to be on compression hoses or leak down test hoses. If you have a Honda CRF 250 or probably the 450 as well, it uses a different type of spark plug. The plug looks like this right here. Okay, so the CRF spark plug has a collar on it. So this collar right here is important when you're picking out hoses. So here's a Mac tool, and this is a snap-on tool, both 10 millimeters. This is what a regular 10 millimeter plug looks like, threads all the way. If you have threads all the way like this on your plug, it's easy for this one to grab onto some threads and work. But if you have a plug like this, the problem is when you try to thread it down in there, it's not able to grab. Okay, it's not able to grab the thread, so you can't get it started on the thread. There's not enough here, so you won't be able to use this hose on a Honda CRF. So you have to buy one like this. Some of the there's cheaper brands through. I think the ones at Harbor Freight have longer threads also. But the point of this video today is to let you guys know if you're running a CRF and you have the collar type of plug like this, you won't be able to fit a short shafted threaded hose. You're going to have to get the long one like this. This one is a snap-on. The part number for this one is EEPV5G10L. L's for the long, and that will fit right there. So you can run your compression test and your leak down test in your Honda CRF. Anyway guys, just a quick tech tip. That's one of the problems I've run into in the past. That hose and the threads are not long enough to reach down and hit the threads inside of the head, so you got to make sure that you have the right hose. That's the hose that I recommend, is that either the snap-on one or a cheap one from Harbor Freight. You just need the hose. You take the internals out if you're doing a leak down test, and you leave it in there if you're doing a compression test. So make sure you get the right hose to do the job right. Hopefully this helps you out guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications guys. Until next one, it's Tepcocyclerepair.